Welcome everyone. Today, I'm going to show you something very useful. If you want to check the price of any cryptocurrency, you don't always need to go to complicated trading websites. You can simply ask ChatGPT. Just type the name of the coin and request the current price, or even ask for a graph, and ChatGPT can generate helpful information for you. Now, let's talk about graphs. A graph is basically a picture that shows how the price of a coin has moved over time. For example, Bitcoin doesn't stay at one price, it goes up and down every day. If you only see the current price, you won't understand the full story. But when you see the graph, you can clearly notice if the price is rising, falling, or staying stable. Graphs are powerful because they tell you the past behavior of a coin. This helps traders and even beginners to make smarter decisions. For example, if the graph shows that Ethereum is slowly increasing for the past 2 months, many people may see this as a good time to buy. On the other hand, if the graph shows a sharp fall, some people may wait before investing. Now let's use ChatGPT to generate graphs for the top 10 cryptocurrencies. These usually include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, XRP, Cardano, Solana, Dogecoin, Polkadot, and sometimes stablecoins like USDC. By seeing the graphs of these coins, you get a quick idea of how the overall crypto market is performing. One of the biggest benefits of using ChatGPT here is that it can explain the graphs in very simple words. Many trading apps show complicated candlestick charts, which are difficult for beginners to understand. But with ChatGPT, you can ask, "What does this graph mean?" and it will give you a clear explanation. For example, ChatGPT can tell you, when the price is trending upwards, it means more buyers are active. When the price is trending downwards, sellers are stronger. If the graph is very flat, it means the coin is not very active at that moment. This is extremely helpful because it removes confusion and allows even non-experts to learn how to read the market. Now, one important question: can ChatGPT really predict the future price of crypto? The answer is no one can predict the future with 100% accuracy. Crypto is highly volatile, and the price can change within minutes. But what ChatGPT can do is analyze past data, explain patterns, and give you an idea of possible trends. For example, if a coin has been increasing steadily for many weeks, ChatGPT may say that the trend looks positive. This doesn't mean you should blindly invest, but it gives you valuable insight to make better choices. Always remember, graphs are tools to guide you, not to guarantee profit. So in short, using ChatGPT for crypto graphs is a smart way to learn, analyze, and understand the market without needing advanced trading knowledge. Whether you are a beginner or someone who already trades, these AI-powered insights can save you time and make your learning process easier. That's all for today's video.